Oh my gosh, yeah, I need to talk about this because I'm obsessed. And then we go into the horror game, I promise. It's not gonna take too long. I just wanna yap about my new keyboard. Wait, can you guys hear? Wait, I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try, 1 second. Let me see if I can type something in my chat. Okay, you guys gotta hear, 1 second. Okay, that was not my keyboard. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try, let's see if you can hear. Oh my god, it feels so good. I am using my brain power to type, by the way, don't question about it. My hands are occupied, so do not question. Clicky clacky. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. This sounds so good. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So what did I do? I went to this shop. This place had like so many floors of tech stuff. Literally like probably like 8 floors just for PC thingy that you may need it. And it was so overstimulating and so overwhelming. I went to the floor where the keyboard are, and I found out that they don't have like 10, 20 keyboard. They have like maybe 500 keyboard. I'm not even exaggerating. They had like all the keyboards of this world were there. Like literally every single keyboard you could ask for, it was there. So I carefully checked every single keyboard they had. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I spent 2 hours touching all the keyboards. Yeah, I haven't told you one thing. I haven't said something. Before, I never bought an expensive keyboard. Because, you know, I don't like typing. It's boring. I'm not a gamer, so I always had like a $10 keyboard with all, like, of course they're good, okay? You don't have to buy an expensive keyboard. I spent the whole life with $10 keyboard, and every time it was like every time I broke it, I would just substitute with a new $10 keyboard. Like, I didn't care. I didn't even care about the brand. So I just kept buying very cheap keyboard. Not a gamer. I'm the gamer of the year. Shut up. I am the gamer of the year, and you know that. Anyway, so I spent 2 hours checking every single keyboard. And I had to find my match. I had to find the keyboard that felt good to me. You know, like the when you see something and you say, I want it. I spent 2 hours in the store. I was just with my headphones. I was chilling. I was listening to music or podcasts. I was listening to not drama. I was listening to like real true crime. Also, I one of my ear free to listen to the clicky clacky. So what did I do? I spent 2 hours there finding a keyboard. Finally, after a long search, I touched one. I'm like, I want this. This is perfect. This is what I wanted. Oh my gosh. Every time I touch this, it's so good. Every time I even barely touch this keyboard, it feels so real. It feels like I'm in a dream. This is heaven. This is, oh my gosh, I want to touch this keyboard forever. This is my keyboard. Then what did I do? So usually when in those kind of shops, they don't actually have like, they just have the keyboard displayed, and if you want to buy it, you just get a little ticket and you bring to the cashier and you buy it. I got the ticket and I went to the cashier and said, I want this. And the girl looked at me and she said, oh. understood. And then she disappeared. She came back after 5 minutes and they said, sorry, we don't have this one. And I was like, what do you mean you don't have this keyboard? I spent 2 hours picking this keyboard. What do you mean you don't have it? What do you mean you don't have the keyboard? I was desperate. I was so shocked. I was like, there is no way. I spent 2 hours in the shop looking around. I did 10,000 steps just to find this keyboard. And you're telling me there's no keyboard. And then I looked at her. I said, please, any color. Because I actually picked a very pink one, very cute one. But I said, please, I want any color. Anything, even the ugliest color. I want it. Please give it to me. And she said, understood. And then she came back. She went back into her secret place where the keyboards are born. And she came back to me with such a disappointing face. And she was like, sorry, we don't have any. At that point, I was desperate. I was crying. I was so close to. Anyway, I said, "Daijoubu, daijoubu, daijoubu. Arigatou gozaimasu, sumimasen, sumimasen, arigatou gozaimasu," and I left. Then I looked at the sky and I'm like, I am Raora Panthera from hololive English Justice. I can't give up this way. So I took my phone and I looked at Amazon Prime and I checked the keyboard and they had it. Hell yeah. So I said, you know what? That is fine. I'm just gonna order, and tomorrow I wake up and it's gonna be here like magic. And the price was the same, so I said, let's go. And this morning I got my keyboard. Okay, this is not a sponsor or anything. I just wanna tell you what did I got. I don't know if you guys know, and please don't tell me, like, don't tell me your opinion. I'm just happy. If you don't like it, I don't care. I don't care. Okay, I bought, this is a new brand for me. I never seen this before. It's called Wobkey Crush 80. That's it. That's the one. That's the one I bought. It's called Wobkey. I don't know if you ever heard this before. Crush 80. I never heard this brand before. I was so happy though. Like, it's such a good keyboard. I'm so happy I got it. It was not too bad. I spent $200, which is fair, I think, because I never really invested into a keyboard. 200 is alright. Okay, then it's not too bad. I thought it was really expensive, but again, I never spend more than $10 for keyboards, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, I got the blue one. It reminded me to Chatini, so I bought it. Type again, please. Later. It's because to put the mic next to the keyboard, I need to. Actually, I think you can hear anyway. Let's see. Can you hear you without me moving the mic? Let's see. A little bit, maybe. A little bit. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I got it, I plugged it in, and I was like, I am never gonna stop typing from now on. To be honest, guys, that's probably why I never really liked typing in the first place, because I hated my previous keyboard. Even with my friends, I was like, please, let's vocal chat instead of chatting. Okay. I always prefer vocal chatting, but now I'm gonna just type. How to play this game. Oh wait, do I need a keyboard for this? Oh, maybe I can just show you guys my cool keyboard now. I can just show you my new keyboard. Good thing. I summoned my emotional support.
Hi. I said I followed the sounds of your nice keyboard and found my way
Really,
here.
you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
I know, it's so cool, right? I just bought it. I'm so happy with it.